Hola, hola mis amigas y feliz día y cómo están? I am just so happy to see you guys back and I'm just happy to bring you guys another video, and by the title of this video ya van a saber qué es lo que voy a estar haciendo en este video. So I've been wanting to do this video, another video for this one, because my refrigerator lo necesitaba and it was so dirty, mis amigas. Like, it just needed it so bad, and I'm just grateful that I had the chance that to do it today, and I'm just so thankful. And also, mis amigas, like, es increíble que si uno deja de descuidar las cosas, por ejemplo, mi refrigerator, es que sucio se pone, even though it doesn't even seem like it, mis amigas, but it's so dirty. Luego les voy a enseñar more in a close-up on how filthy and dirty it was, but aquí estoy, mira mis amigas, con animada and ready to clean, because I was gonna go grocery shop today. Well, I did go, and that's why me animé to take everything out and to kind of go through it and to see if there's any expiration food and things that I don't even use, or not use but don't eat anymore. I did throw away not a lot, but just some stuff. And I was like, you know what? This is the great moment. So aproveché. And yeah, mis amigas. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And I hope you guys stay for long, because I love and enjoy with all my heart doing cleaning videos for you guys. And you guys love them so much too. And I'm thankful for each and one of you that keep coming back and support my channel. So with that being said, mis amigas, las dejo aquí. Hope this video brings you a lot of energy and some motivation for you guys so you can clean your house or your refrigerator. So aquí las voy a dejar, mis amigas, and enjoy, okay? So ya vieron, mis amigas, que sucio estaba y lleno de cosas en mi refri, and I was so embarrassed to show you guys, but you know, it is what it is. Things happen, and you know, somos humanos and stuff like that. So I was just happy that I was able to clean it up. So the only thing that I'm using to clean up my refrigerator is a rag. And if you guys know me, I only like to use vinegar mixed with water, and I make these solution all by scratch, all by myself. It's really, really easy to make. So if you have like a spray bottle and an empty spray bottle and vinegar and obviously with water, so just put half and half. I honestly don't even measure anything. I just kind of wing it and actually it turns out really, really great. So let me know if you guys try this solution, because not only can you guys use it for your refrigerator, but you guys can use it for throughout your house for like the mirrors. That's like my favorite, mis amigas. So with that being said, that's the only thing that I'm using right now. And honestly, like, como si ustedes saben, a mí no me gusta el olor de vinegar. It's really, really strong, but deja las cosas super limpias, like so shiny and so like clean, and it's really, really awesome. Like, I don't know what the heck this solution does, but it's like magic, mis amigas. So let me know if you guys have tried it out. Cleaning the refrigerator, mis amigas, it was such a satisfaction because saqué un montón de cosas, and la tierra, I mean not tierra, pero como las cosas, las comidas que se encuentran allí todas secas and stuff like that, I just threw them away. And it was just like, I don't know about you guys, but it's just a satisfaction for me to kind of like see the dirtiness, and kind of when I'm all done wiping it all over and stuff like that, like it's just a satisfaction. It's just, I don't know, I just like it so much. But let me know, mis amigas, when do you guys clean your refrigerator? Is it like every week, every month, or stuff like that? Porque yo me pasé, mis amigas. I'm like, oh my gosh, I usually try to do it like every month, pero me pasé, mis amigas, qué pena. But literally, mis amigas, like I'm working on it, mis amigas, because you know, things get on the way, you know, life, and then me, como las que ustedes saben, a mom and stuff like that, and you know, atendiendo la casa, you know, it gets hard, mis amigas, although like it doesn't seem like it, but you know, the routine, a veces se aburre uno and stuff like that, y ya ven, las cosas como a veces, you know, but it's just some stuff that I just have to do, and every single day, and something that I just enjoy doing. So it's just a habit, mis amigas. So let me know, mis amigas, ustedes cómo se acomodan con su refri. Do you guys clean it every day, or cómo lo hacen? Let me know in the sections below. amigas me van a decir que estoy bien loca. I was actually going crazy myself cleaning the freezer because like había un montón de comida seca and just crumbs everywhere. And I was like, how the heck am I gonna get it out? Maybe there's an easier way, mis amigas, but como me harté, I was like, you know what? It's okay. I'm gonna grab my vacuum y voy a estar vacuuming todas las crumbs. But you know what? It worked, mis amigas. It literally worked. Like unos 5 segunditos y listo. Y ya estaba limpiecito. And I was like, lifesaver. But if you guys have any other better ideas rather than the vacuum, porque me miro bien chula. Miro chula. But if you guys have any other ideas on how to clean out the crumbs, please let me know, because I am looking for any suggestions that you guys have rather than the vacuum, porque oh my god, mis amigas, I cannot believe it, pero la agarré la vacuum. ¿Ustedes creen? Se me hizo fácil, but it worked out, mis amigas. What, mis amigas, as I'm editing this video and looking through this, todo lo que les grabé y toda la cosa, I just want to say, take this moment and say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for always coming back and supporting me. And those of you, and I know cuáles son, that you guys come back and always comment and like my videos and share my videos and recommend my videos. Ya sé quién son. I know who you are. And not only you guys, but everybody in general. Like, it means the world to me, mis amigas. Like, in every video, you guys know que siempre les estoy diciendo que thank you. But I wish I can give you guys like a hug or something, mis amigas, porque les agradezco mucho. And then something that I really enjoy doing, mis amigas. Si ustedes saben, and you guys follow me on Instagram and stuff like that, you guys know that this has always been one of my things that I always wanted to do. And finally, I decided to put full on, mis amigas. Vamos con todo. And, solo Dios sabe el por qué I keep coming back. And Él sabe por qué. Because I know I feel it. I know there's something. And I'm just grateful, mis amigas. So I want to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. And thank you guys so much for coming back. So it is currently 7 o'clock and I left you guys off by cleaning my refrigerator behind me, and honestamente ya lo limpié todo. Saqué toda la comida que tenía que sacar from the freezer as well. Y let me tell you guys que un montón de cosas, like I threw away a whole bunch of stuff, and it just needed a little a cleanse, like una limpieza. I did show you guys that all the stuff that I did, so fuimos a la tienda con mi hija, and then I have to just put that stuff away inside the refrigerator. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I just kind of put them away and stuff like that. It's not a lot of stuff, pero I have to go grocery shopping, but there's some of the stuff that I did get for today. So I'm gonna just move you guys around, like maybe right here. Y solamente voy a acomodar las cosas para atrás. So yeah, mis amigas, let's get to it. So I did end up getting some peppers, and I want to try something new. Like, I usually just put them in by whole into my refrigerator, but you know, I've been seeing a lot of videos chopping them up and then freezing them and then just kind of take them out as you need them. I think I'm gonna start doing that. Not today. I won't be chopping them up, but I'm interested in doing this just because, like, I feel that we do eat this, but sometimes it takes space in my refrigerator. And by freezing it, I think would be a great idea. If you guys do that, let me know what you guys think and how it goes for you guys. But I'm literally thinking about doing that for the peppers. And I also ended up buying this right here, the half and half. I'm not usually a coffee person, and honestly, I never even tried this brand. But I think it sounds delicious.